Hello, hello. Hey guys. Hey, how y'all doing today? I hope everyone is doing great. Okay? Today I'll be doing some Jamaican jerk wings. Okay? First I start by washing properly my chicken, soaking it in lemon and vinegar water. I cut off the tips and pat dry them nice and clean, okay? So now here I have a little jerk seasoning, mushroom soya sauce, paprika, chicken seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, as well as 2 pieces of small bell peppers, scallion, thyme, onion. I'll be now blending these seasonings for about a minute. So it's time to season the wings. I'm using 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, one teaspoon chicken seasoning, 2 teaspoons of paprika, and about 3 or 4 tablespoons of mushroom soya sauce. We need it to have a rich color. So now I'm pouring the blended seasonings. And now the jerk seasoning. It's about 2 tablespoons, but this seasoning that I'm using is almost finished, so I'm taking out as much as I can get out of it, okay? So about 2 tablespoons will be good. And now I put on the gloves and I'm gonna rub in all these seasonings into the chicken. Also, guys, I forgot to put in some salt, so I'm putting in a teaspoon of salt. I'm using the sea salt, so any salt you prefer is also good. So now I will cover it, put it in the refrigerator to marinate overnight. Hello, back at you guys. So now I've just taken out the wings, the jerk wings. Smells so good. I'm about to put it in the oven. So guys, this is what the jerk wings look like. All right. I'm gonna sprinkle a little oil, a little olive oil, whatever oil you have, over. All right. So now I'll put it in the oven. Okay, so I cover it and put it in the oven. It will be cooking for 30 minutes. So halfway through, I took off the cover, I checked it, I threw off some of that chicken water that the chicken wings have been cooking in, and added 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I put it on the stove to thicken for about 2 minutes, and now I'm basting the chicken with that water. This will add to the flavor of the chicken wings, also the texture, okay, and the moisture. It's going to be moist as well. The remaining of this sauce will also be using as gravy on my rice and peas, okay? So there you have it. So now the jerk wings are finished, and I'll be serving it with some rice and peas. It can be served with white rice, a salad, or anything of your choice. Now I'm sprinkling some chopped parsley leaves on the wings, just for a little color, a little decoration. Alright guys, enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.